The month-end close, what should be a clean, predictable wrap-up, consistently turns into a chaotic 12-day sprint. Add looming 1099 deadlines to the mix, and the pressure compounds. This creates a paradox for accounting firms. Highly trained financial professionals find themselves spending the bulk of their day acting as glorified administrative debt collectors. The friction is constant. You're chasing down missing bank statements, begging clients to fix broken credit card integrations, and sending out the third request for an unreturned W-9. When the books pile up faster than the team can close them, it is not a failure of your accounting expertise. It is a structural failure of your administrative workflow. The immediate reflex is to throw more people at the problem, but hiring human administrative support carries a steep monthly commitment in salary and benefits. And if a critical document request goes unanswered on a Friday afternoon, it sits untouched until Monday. Next, firms often try generic CRM platforms, but those steep per-seat licensing fees scale poorly, and their built-in logic rarely understands the specific compliance deadlines unique to an accounting practice. Even turning to off-the-shelf, cloud-based AI assistants often fall short. They lack a professional financial vocabulary, treating precise, multi-step tasks like reconciliation as generic conversational phrases. This graph illustrates the infrastructure problem with public cloud AI during the tax rush. Just as your communication volume spikes, the shared system hits a hard threshold. You are left with throttled speeds and latency, exactly when you need reliability the most. Firm, if your overhead explodes as your client list grows, or your tools freeze up during peak demand, your firm is structurally blocked from scaling. The alternative to the public cloud is physical, local hardware. The askingAi.pro AI Agent Mini PC is a compact device, about the size of a paperback book, that sits directly inside your office. This diagram shows the specific technical advantage of edge computing. By creating a secure, closed loop on your internal network, it explicitly bypasses congested public cloud servers. Zero shared public traffic means zero throttling during those chaotic final weeks of April. Instead of relying on a generic prompt, this local agent is configured once with your firm's specific triage rules, your filing deadlines, and your escalation contacts. Once set up, it runs quietly in the background, managing the constant flow of client communications without ever interrupting your staff's deep-focus billable work. Professional automation relies on a physical, localized workflow engine tailored to the exact operational rhythm of the practice. Let's look at how this operates in practice. It is Tuesday morning, just days before the month-end close, and a partner notices several clients still haven't submitted their year-end bank statements. Instead of assigning a junior staff member to make individual phone calls, the AI agent proactively texts those missing clients a secure portal link to collect the outstanding fees. The client, perhaps traveling, can simply snap a photo of a receipt or an IRS notice and send it back via SMS. The agent extracts the relevant information instantly and logs it directly into your firm's dashboard. This flowchart illustrates how the system triages incoming data. Because the agent understands professional context, it recognizes that a missing W-9 right before a filing deadline is a critical issue, instantly routing it to a senior partner for review. Conversely, if a client asks a routine question about a past invoice, the system recognizes the low priority and queues it for regular business hours. By autonomously handling the friction of data collection and intelligent triage, the system ensures your partners only step in when their absolute professional expertise is required. Back at our firm, by Wednesday afternoon, all the missing documents are secured. The month-end closing process starts exactly on schedule, eliminating the 12-day sprint entirely. Achieving this level of efficiency typically requires a difficult economic choice: absorb mounting administrative salaries or swallow variable per-token API fees from cloud providers. This chart compares those traditional models against the localized hardware approach. Because the mini PC setup is tied to a steady monthly support tier, your client communication volume can scale massively during tax season without a corresponding spike in your bill. Hardware-based automation replaces unpredictable operational expenses with a highly scalable fixed-cost foundation. Deploying this workflow allows your firm to comfortably manage a higher volume of accounts without immediately feeling the pressure to hire junior administrative staff. By delaying that overhead expense, your next payroll expansion can be focused entirely on bringing in qualified accounting professionals who generate direct billable revenue. Automating the bookkeeping workflow permanently shifts your firm's resources away from administrative drag, allowing you to invest them into high-level advisory growth.